Hi, welcome to Blue Kettle Soapworks, and today we're going to be cutting my Monkey Farts scented soap. I have it all lined up here. This smells really good. I think I'm going to name it a different name. I have to lay it flat this way because it's tall and skinny. A little bit more that way. Okay, I think we're in business. Okay, hopefully I get some good swirls. Hopefully everything just didn't sink to the bottom. I'm always laughing and giggling, but I think I like those little purple swirls on the bottom. They're kind of cute. Monkey business, monkey farts. Like the little sparklies on the top. Let's get it rolling unless I see something that's wowing me. Right now we just have the swirls that are on the bottom. I have to go back and watch the video and see what it was that I did. Maybe I just did a in the pot on the bottom and poured the rest on the top. I just make a lot of soap, and sometimes I have to go back to watch the video or my notes to see exactly what technique it was that I used. So far, I think that's what happened. It was in the pot on the bottom, and then I poured the rest of the soap on the top that was left over. Although I thought I did some kind of swirl with the spatula, but I'm guessing I did not. Very sparkly. Put me in a festive mood with that yellow and purple and the sparkly on top. Okay, and that is it. Move this out of the way, and I can give you a more close-up view. And hopefully I won't be blocking the camera like I did last time with my hand, if I can remove this very quickly. And here we have it. The soap scented with Monkey Farts fragrance oil. Okay, bye for now. See you next time, and thanks for watching.